The products are widely used in architectural decoration, achieves building sealants, textiles, waterproof, metal rust, water-based painting inks, water-based wood lacquer, soil and sand curing, and other fields. Qingdao High Honor adheres to the business philosophy of pursuing both material and spiritual happiness of all employees, providing healthy and environmentally friendly products for human beings, contributing to the progress and development of the society. In the production and R&D, High Honor continually improves the performance and price advantage of waterborne polymers, aiming to provide healthy, environmentally friendly, low VOC, and even VOC-free solutions to the market. Safe, secure, and stable. Production safety and product quality are the lifeblood of High Honor. The High Honor production plant has a complete set of business procedures and constructs a layout that meets the requirements of laws and regulations. It has obtained 3 management system certifications of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. A double accident prevention mechanism for preventing risks and treating hidden dangers was constructed. The company has completed facilities, advanced production technology, strong technical force, perfect testing equipment, a number of patented technologies, and innovative technologies, and always maintains the leading position in the industry. It is equipped with advanced and reliable safety, fire protection, and waste gas treatment facilities to ensure safe production and stable quality. In the production process, the microsecond response speed and the digital transmission of fiber optic bus dual loop automatic control system fully guarantee the precise operation of multiple dimensions such as feeding, temperature, flow, mixing, and reaction. Besides, High Honor has established a series of complete and traceable quality inspection and control procedures for incoming raw material inspection, product inspection before loading, batch retention, periodic sampling, and application testing to ensure the safety and reliability of product supply. High Honor continues to improve, promote the water-based and healthy coatings, and constantly explore the infinite possibilities of the industry, and continue to build a better life in a small and indispensable way. The eagle licks the wind and lifts it straight up to realize the dream of creating $1 billion and a century-old enterprise, carrying a sword built by over 20 years' experience. High Honor has been rushing to a higher level, making the corporate culture with the spirit of artisans, and building the blueprint with a global vision.